Camera open. Pratyaksh, camera open karo. Everyone, keep your cameras open. Keep your cameras on. I'm not going to teach anyone. Those who are switching off their cameras and sitting behind the camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Booklet.
Open your cameras quickly. Quickly open your cameras. Camera open, camera open, camera open, everyone. Yes, Yajat, Pratyaksh, Vikas, Sheesh. Where are your cameras? Quickly open them.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, now you not take classes in school.
No. Are you moving out of the home these days? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Yes, as you can see the severity of these cases. So we are studying from home. Are you moving out of the home, Sheesh, these days?
No, ma'am, not a bit.
Not a bit. Very good. You should not move out of the home these days. Okay? Okay, everyone open your camera. यशराज महाजन, कार्तिक कुमार, अरुण जोया, फातिमा विकास राठौर. आपसे स्पेशली बोलना पड़ेगा बेटा. अच्छा, what we have done last time? Devansh, you are attending the classes regularly. Please tell me what we have done last time.
Exercise 1.5.
We were doing exercise in notebook. We have done exercise 1.5, right?
Ma'am, till C.
Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1.5
Ma'am, till
question
C.
C. Right, greater than and smaller than this one. Okay, wait.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
one greater than, smaller than. This one we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Let's start the next question. Abacus वाला हमने नहीं करा अभी. We have not done the abacus.
No, ma'am.
All right. Now open your books. अच्छा, do one thing. Now open your books for a minute. एक question book में करना है. I'm telling you page number. Exercise 1.6, page number 12. Maths book. Maths book.
Ma'am, we will done. 1.6.
You have done in book. Page 12.
Yes.
Okay. 1.6 in book you have done. But in notebook you have not done. है ना? है ना Divansh? Okay, okay. Now, then open your notebooks only. Leave books. Open your maths book. Beta, ये जितने भी cameras on नहीं हो रहे, I'm going to throw them out. I'm not in the habit of repeating the things again and again. Maths पे notebook, new page. I hope everyone.
Ma'am, please pin yourself.
Yes, I'm pinning myself. Just a second. Yeah. Maths पे notebook, new page. Okay, write the question. Okay, first write exercise. Write down the date. Whatever I'm writing with the black pen, you also have to mention that. Exercise 1.6. Write question A.
मैम नोट करा रही सीधे नोट करो नोट कर
Okay, draw the middle line in the like this. Draw the middle line with a scale. Wait a second, let me check. Wait a second, अभी कर रहा हूँ. Okay. Question is 363210. Question number 1. What you have to do, you have to draw an abacus to represent the following numbers. So what you have to do, you have to write like this. This will be ones. This will be tens. This will be hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, TTH. You can use the word TTH for 10,000 and this is called lakhs. Okay, like this you have to make an abacus, but the line should be straight. Line should be straight. Like this. Draw the abacus first. Second one is 22540. Okay. Next one is wait, I'm putting the comma also. In the first two you will not put any commas. Second, last two you will put commas. Okay, I want to teach you in both the ways. Commas होते हैं और commas नहीं भी होते हैं. First two you don't put the commas. Next two you put the commas. Start doing it.
And you said when we start from with lakhs, you will teach us from abacus.
What, beta?
Ma'am, you have said that when we start with lakh, you will teach us
Yes,
from
when I will
abacus.
tomorrow I will start with the lakhs and 10 lakh. भी मैं lakh के बाद millions से start करूँगी ना. 10 lakh and millions. Then I'll ask you to take out that abacus. It will be helpful for you.
And I also make an
What?
ma'am abacus.
Made one abacus. Till where? How many digits have you made?
Ma'am 10 lakh.
10 lakh. ठीक है, 10 lakh तक करनी. Good. I'll teach you about the millions also in that same abacus.
Yes, sir.
Keep your cameras open. Karthik Kumar Arun, Arab Solanki never changes his name. Arab Solanki. He never changes his name. Nandini, camera on. Yuvraj Singh 2. Open your camera. Vikas Rathore, open your camera. What? How can I come to know that you are sitting behind the camera and doing the work, or you are playing the game? Huh? Some of your parents complain you play games. So how will I come to know what you are doing if your camera is off? If your camera is off, that means you are playing games. You are not paying attention in school, right?
Okay.
Vikas, open your camera.
सर वो हो
And you're asking to also.
गया
Draw the abacus with a scale.
I'm busy. I have drawn.
Tobin, bring it a little closer. A little closer. Up, up.
हो गया
Yes, it is correct.
yesterday क्या आंसर
बेटा एक काम किया करो, whenever I give you any question ना, you just copy down all the questions and keep on writing the answers. Otherwise आप ना स्क्रीन पर आप थोड़ा सा देर स्क्रीन पे कम देखा करो, ठीक है? Whenever I give you question, you copy down the question, ठीक है? And keep doing the work. Do not see on the screen during that time. It will help you to for the less exposure to screen.
तो मैथ का एक बार फ्लेवर सेंड कर दीजिए
Somebody is saying something?
मैथ का फ्लेवर सेंड कर
Yashraj, I think your mic is open.
दीजिए तो है सर एक बार आप चैप्टर वाइज भी बता दीजिए कौन कौन से मैथ चैप्टर वाइज करा रहे हैं
Yashraj, close your mic. हाँ.
Do it quickly, everyone. One more done. Okay, beta. Wait. Send me the answer. I will check it.
Ma'am, we have to send on WhatsApp.
Obviously, yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Hmm. Yes. Let me check it. How many of you?
now.
This is fourth B. No, I didn't got anybody's answer. Anyone is facing any problem? Hmm? Okay, I got the answer of Nandini. Nandini, draw the lines with the scale, beta. कितनी बार बोलूं? I told you because also you have to draw the with the scale. Stuti, good. Correct. Okay, how many of you have sent me the answer? Let me check. No one sent me except Stuti and Nandini. Pratyash and Mol, Vikas, open your camera. Open your camera. Done?
Ma'am, I
Okay, Yashraj. Yashraj, send it to me on WhatsApp.
okay, ma'am.
Zoya, be quick, beta. And who else is left? Nandini, have you drawn the lines with the scale? Have you trained the lines to the abacus? Lines of the abacus? Nandini?
What, ma'am?
Beta, I asked you to draw the lines with the scale, na? कौन आया
Yes.
ये भाई? Good morning, ma'am. Who is now? Come here.
Yes, ma'am.
कौन था? Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, sorry for being late because my brother is kind. My mother go to somewhere.
Oh, Rishabh, you are here. Very good morning, Rishabh. कहाँ थे तुम? तुम्हें कितना वेट कर रही थी मैं? ऋषभ कहाँ है? ऋषभ कहाँ है?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I do my work.
You do not? What you do not do, Rishabh? हाँ, Rishabh.
Ma'am, I do my work quickly.
Okay, Yashraj. Very good, Yashraj. Very neat and clean work done. Very nice. Very good, Devansh Verma.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Rest of you be quick. जल्दी से finish करो. It is very easy question. Stuti has done. Now she is playing. है ना Stuti? She has done the one. Now she is free to play anything. What are you playing, by the way? With the sanitizer. Okay. Hope you are doing well. Are you all doing well? Are you all doing well? Everyone in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
But don't move out of the house. Like Sheesh is saying, and I did not go out of the house. Not to play, nothing. You just play inside your homes. Okay, I'm going to start the next question now. Let me see how many of you have done. Kanishka also done and Kartik Kumar also has done. Okay, Kanishka, correct. Very nice. Very good, Kartik. Beta Kanishka, write down the date.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. अरे ये क्या लिखा है अनमोल? Is it arrow or draw? Draw in abacus. It's not arrow in abacus.
Sorry, ma'am.
Now who else is left? Pratyaksh is left. Piyush is left. Kanishka sent. Sorry. Vikas is left. Yuvraj Singh too is left. Only these many students are left. Rishabh, be quick, beta.
Now, ma'am, what we have to do?
What beta? What Stuti?
What we have to do?
What you have to do? I'm going to give you another picture now. I'm going to rub this. If you've not done it, take a screenshot of it. I'm going to rub it. Okay, I'm going to rub it. Okay, now I'm going to start the next question. Okay, I'm going to start the next question. That is question number, new exercise. Shall I rub it? If you have not done it, take a screenshot.
Yes, ma'am, Rabbit.
I have checked all your answers. Almost everyone has sent it. So I am not sharing the answers with you all. I'm not writing the answers because I've already checked your answers. Let me take your attendance. Give me a second. Yuvraj Singh tak ho gaya. This much was your attendance. And Zoya is also present. Okay, all right. Let me start the next question now. Okay, again, maths fair notebook, a new page. So, Sheesh, you can bring the abacus now. We need abacus. If you have abacus, now you can bring the abacus. Okay, Vikas also send me the answer. Zoya also send me the answer. I'll check it. Wait a minute. Give me a minute. Class 3A.
Yes, ma'am, I bring.
Okay, let me start the next question. Okay, have you brought the abacus, everyone? Those who are having it? Okay, Sheesh is having the abacus. Let me spotlight Sheesh along with him. Me. See, beta. Sheesh, show the abacus, please. Okay, as you can see, it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. How many digits are there if you are till 1,000? Take out the other pencils. Take out all the pencils, Sheesh. Very good. If I say there is only one place, how many pencils will you insert? There is only one place. एक ही digit है. Sir, one digit is there. So where will you insert the pencil? At which place? Insert that pencil. सिर्फ एक digit का number है. तो कहाँ पर होगा वो number? Insert that pencil. Insert that pencil. जो one digit का number होगा वो कहाँ पर आएगा? यहाँ पर आएगा one digit का number. No. No, Sheesh. Number starts from one.
Ma'am, it's,
Okay.
ma'am, I can't see.
Okay, this is one side. Yes. Sure. If a number is a one digit, then it is ones place. ठीक है? थोड़ी सा chair पीछे कर सकते हो शीश? Because it is not visible. Now you can hold it. Yes. Now if there is a 2-digit number, then what we will use? How many digits will be there? How many pencils will you use if it is a 2-digit number? Insert that pencil. 2. Now insert 3 and 4 also. ठीक है, आप सबको पता है 4 डिजिट का नंबर होता था तो थाउजेंड्स तक ही अबेकस यूज होता था. ठीक है, वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स. नाउ यू कैन, ऑल ऑफ यू कैन सी उसकी प्लेस कहाँ तक फिल हो गई है? शीर्ष की प्लेस 1000 तक फिल हो गई है. इफ देयर आर 5 डिजिट्स तो क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? इफ देयर विल बी 5 डिजिट्स, 4 डिजिट्स थे तो आपकी 1000 तक फिल हो गई. अब 5 डिजिट्स होंगे तो हाउ विच प्लेस विल बी फिल्ड? टेल मी शीर्ष. शीर्ष, पुट द वन मोर फिंगर पेंसिल, 5th डिजिट की. क्या हुआ बेटा? हैंडल नहीं हो रहा?
No, ma'am, the
अब
notebook
6th
is
डिजिट है तो
still
क्या
a
हो जाएगा?
flicker.
6th डिजिट होगा तो लैक आ जाएगा. 6th डिजिट होगा तो लैक आ जाएगा. अब now I'm going to tell you what is about the 7th digit. If 7th digit will come, let him pick up. If 7th digit will come, what will be the there?
No,
Okay?
don't know where it go.
Where it has gone? It's lost?
Ma'am,
Okay, it's okay. 7th month. So now show it. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. ये जो 1, 10, 1000 शुरू की 3 पेंसिल्स है ना, ग्रीन, रेड एंड ब्लू, इनका एक कॉम्बिनेशन होता है. जो ब्लू एंड रेड है, इट मेक्स वन कॉम्बिनेशन. ठीक है, और ये जो लैक और 10 लाख ग्रीन और येलो वाली है, दे मेक वन कॉम्बिनेशन. ठीक है, फर्स्ट थ्री जो है दे मेक वन कॉम्बिनेशन. नेक्स्ट टू मेक टू कॉम्बिनेशन एंड नेक्स्ट टू मेक वन कॉम्बिनेशन. They are in periods. First period जो ones, tens, hundreds वाला है उसको हम बोलते हैं ones period. जो 1000 और 10,000 वाला है उसको हम बोलते हैं thousands period. और जो lakhs और 10 lakhs वाला है उसको हम बोलते हैं lakh period. Okay. अब बेटा अब ना थोड़ा सा since he has not written, I'm going to tell you about the international place value system. शीर्ष, फर्स्ट 3 जो है एक साइड में कर दो. फर्स्ट की जो 3 थी उन्हें एक साइड में कर दो. मिडिल 3 इन वन साइड. मिडिल 3 को ऐसे चिपका दो, ऐसे चिपका दो. 3 मिडिल 3, not 2.
I'm like this.
Yes, very good. And the last one is like this. See, this is international system. This is international place value system. बस इसमें लाख और 10 लाख जहाँ लिखा है ना, उसकी जगह पर यह आता है. ये जो 1000 जो मैंने मिडिल वाली 3 कंबाइन कराई है, वह है हमारे 1000, 10,000 और 100,000. जो मिडिल वाली जो है अब वो क्या हो गई है इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में? 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. And the last one is the of millions. Now keep it aside. Let me show you here on board what I'm telling. अब समझ में आएगा ढंग से कि मैं क्या कहना चाहती हूँ. बेटा see, first of all I'm going to teach all of you Indian place value system. Wait a second. See, Indian place value system. And I'm going to take, no, you don't have to do anything. So I'm rubbing this. Just right here. I'm telling you about 7 digits. If the number is of 7 digits, so Indian place value system, how it goes. Like I told you, ones, tens, hundreds. ये तीनों का एक combination है. They are in period of ones. They are in period of ones. फिर है thousands and 10,000s. They both come in one period and their group name is thousands. ठीक है, फिर आता है lakh और 10 lakh. They both come in the period of lakh. ठीक है, इनके पीरियड का नाम है lakh. इनका नाम है ones, इनका नाम है thousand, इनका नाम है lakh. कितने डिजिट्स हो गए? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 डिजिट्स आ गए. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड. दिस इज इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट. अब क्या करते हैं, जो एक एक पीरियड होता है, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा ये पीरियड खत्म हो गया है, ये पीरियड खत्म नहीं हुआ है? बाय पुटिंग कॉमास. We will put commas in between like this. ठीक है? अब international place value chart. See here. International place value chart क्या होता है? Actually, when you go out of India, in India you can use. Have you heard about crores? Have you heard about lakhs? ठीक है, इंडिया में हमने लाख
Yes,
और
ma'am.
करोड़ के बारे में सुना है. But if you go internationally and you will use this word, you will not find this word. Have you heard about the word million? Millions,
Yes, ma'am.
million,
Yes,
billions.
ma'am.
तो वो billions और billions क्या होते हैं? देखो, ones, tens, hundreds. ये इनका सेम होता है. This is ones period. फिर आते हैं 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. जैसे मैंने अभी शीश को बोला था, मिडिल वाले तीनों को साथ में रख दो. So they three of them make a pair. Three of them are together here. इन three of them का नाम है 1000. इंडियन में 1000 में कितने होते हैं? 2 digits होते हैं. But in international there are 3 digits. स्तुति, look here very carefully. It's very important. ठीक है? और 1000 से पहले क्या होता है? Millions. 1000 से पहले आता है मिलियन. और मिलियन भी ऐसे ही होते हैं, 10 million और 100 million. But this you will study in higher classes in 5th class. Up till now there is only million. लाख से पहले जैसे करोड़ होता है, तो 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are arranged in this way. This is the period of million. ठीक है? अब इन दोनों के बीच में कॉमन लगा देते हैं. 3 digit से पहले कॉमा आता है, 3 digit से पहले कॉमा आता है, फिर 1 digit. ठीक है? Understood? Have you understood the difference between the Indian and international place value system?
Yes, ma'am.
Now on a new page,
Yes,
just
ma'am.
note it down quickly. जल्दी से नोट कर लो इसको. On a new page.
Ma'am, we have to make circles.
हाँ.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Yes, beta, you have to make circles.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा.
and what is written?
Where?
Ma'am, what is beside the date?
Beside the
Date.
date, 7 digits. 7 digits. How you will arrange 7 digits? This I have given you.
Ma'am, we have to write that also.
Yes.